A southern dream comes alive in this white two-story gem. With a playful fountain, towering palms, and a hidden pool, it remains a sunny sanctuary of timeless elegance. Bathed in soft sunlight, this gray home welcomes you with open arms. Blue hydrangeas line the path past the picket fence, leading to a porch where memories are made daily. Sunlight dances on this idyllic white estate, highlighting the classic columns and blooming garden. A stone path invites you past the bird bath into a world of serenity. Dappled sunlight filters through mature trees, illuminating a teal door that promises warmth. This gray haven, with its winding path and lush lawn, is suburban perfection. Vibrant hydrangeas burst with color against the white picket fence of this gabled beauty. With a majestic palm casting cool shadows, it is a portrait of suburban bliss. Framed by lush palms, this gray residence is a private oasis. From the sparkling pool to the cascading fountain, every corner offers a tranquil escape under the bright sun. Open gates welcome you to this quaint, sun-drenched cottage. Surrounded by a tapestry of blooms and manicured greens, it stands as a bright beacon of comfort and peace. A porch swing awaits on this gray bungalow, framed by tall palms and a tiered fountain. The blue door and vibrant blooms create a melody of color under the clear blue sky. Serenity defines this white two-story retreat. Beyond the picket fence and stone path lies a hidden gem, a sparkling blue pool, promising endless days of sunny relaxation. Nestled in a tropical embrace, this home is a secret garden of delight. A winding path past stone statues leads to a porch where nature and comfort blend in perfect harmony. Even under soft skies, this gray home radiates peace. Flanked by a cooling pool and a convenient carport, it offers a balanced lifestyle of leisure and classic suburban ease. A rustic elegance defines this gray estate, where hydrangeas bloom by the fence. With a refreshing pool and shaded carport, it is a sun-drenched haven of joy and beauty. A flag waves proudly on the porch of this classic gray home. Surrounded by vibrant blooms and a crystal-clear pool, it captures the true, heartwarming spirit of family life. A warm glow illuminates this white residence, highlighting the dark roof and vibrant garden. The cobblestone path leads you through a storybook setting of timeless grace. Framed by symmetrical palms, this white home shines behind a cheerful yellow fence. A stone fountain and colorful blooms create a vibrant, inviting entrance to this manor.